honorable chief guests, more respected teachers and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. As you all know that Kashmir is the name of a beautiful place that has become a valley of bloodshed nowadays. The cruelties of Indian Army against the Kashmiris are unimaginable. Women have been insulted, people have been made the shelterless, and those who are raising the slogan of freedom have been killed by merciless. Kashmir problem could not solve for many years. It seems that Indian soldiers are accomplishing their desire. They are playing holy with the human blood. We are going to tell time that Kashmir problem was solved. But when such questions are hovering in our minds, but perhaps Kashmir problem was solved when nobody will be alive in the Kashmir. Pakistan have positive role in Kashmir issue. Pakistan has raised the issue in UNO and in front of Security Council several times, but all in vain. This statement has been issued many times by the superpower, the right self-determination they are given to be the Kashmiris. There is no doubt about even today every inhabitant they are raising only one slogan, i.e. Kashmir banega Pakistan. But in spite of all these efforts, the situation is the still same. I fear I have gone beyond my time, but I feel incapable of summing up with the issue at the given time. At the end, I would like to say that Pakistan and Muslim community is with the Kashmiris and are trying their best to solve this problem. Let us pray and hope for their best and wish a free life to 1,000 Kashmiris. Wassalam.